You're making your job a lot harder for yourself. You think that sales and your personal life are two totally different things. They're not. This is a relationship. The same as all the other things in your life are relationships. Let that other person talk. The people that are masters of having great relationships, the people that everybody is friends with, are the ones that allow other people to talk, because those people walk away from that with a better understanding of themselves. Hey, if you're a serious sales professional, you're gonna wanna hear this. There is a way that you can double or even triple the amount of money you are making in your sales career within the next 60 days. And it doesn't involve you having to look for another job. It doesn't involve you having to lower your prices or convince your company to give you the entire world as your territory. If you work in sales and you simply employ a more straightforward, a more practical, a more powerful sales process, it is very, very easy for you to double or even triple the amount of money you are making. How do I know this? My name is Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University as the most effective sales coaching in the world. Don't take my word for it. We have over 1,000 video testimonials from people just like you that have doubled and tripled their income. Here's how Easton University works. You're gonna have access to an on-demand learning portal. It's gonna feel like you and I are having a FaceTime call together. I'm gonna walk you through everything from prospecting, cold calling, what to say in an email, how to respond. Everything you'd ever wanna know about your sales career and taking it to the next level is in the on-demand interactive learning portal. But the magic doesn't stop there. Twice a week, you're gonna be able to join live coaching with me. You can bring any questions you have. I'll give you answers. Any challenges that you're facing right now, I will work with you every step of the way to take you to the next level. You're gonna be able to hear questions from top performers that are making $500,000, $750,000, even $1 million a year in sales. This is a very supportive community that you are now going to be a part of. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's more than being a part of the most supportive, most professional sales community on planet Earth. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. If you want to take your sales career to the next level, click the button to learn more.